Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shumaila Najam.
And once again we are together. Many subscribers, many of my YouTube family members, they were missing Shumaila. And they were asking me, and let me tell you who is Shumaila before you have curiosity and before you make any judgment about us. Let me tell you, we've been working together for 12 years and like she's the co-founder, and we actually founded this organization, Asad Yaqub IELTS Institute, together, and ever since we've been working on different projects. She's working with me as a project director as well. So we are very good colleagues, right? Yes. Okay, Shumaila, over to you.
अच्छा चलिए जी क्वेश्चन की तरफ आ जाते हैं.
Good.
ठीक है. अच्छा क्वेश्चन असद मेरा ये है कि IELTS रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग में जब हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं आंसर शीट पे, ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स बहुत हो जाती हैं.
Okay. Good. So the question is, in IELTS listening and IELTS reading, on answer sheet there are spelling mistakes. How to overcome that?
Exactly.
No problem. Listen up, guys. The first thing is, as far as IELTS reading is concerned, whenever there is sentence completion, notes completion, any completion type of questions, or anywhere you have to write a word for the answer, you will always choose that word from the passage. Now, if you have a spelling mistake over there, it is your own silly mistake. It is your own carelessness. In reading, there is no chance for spelling mistake, because all the words which you're going to select from the passage, the words are written in the passage. All you need to do, you need to copy and paste those words. First, you will copy paste words from the passage to your question booklet, and then from question booklet to answer sheet. So there, during this transition, if you have any spelling mistake in reading, that mistake is just because of your carelessness and silly mistake.
मैं भी यही सोच रही थी कि वहाँ तो already आपको spelling दिए हुए हैं.
Absolutely, yeah. But you know, some people are so high level people, so they do that. Now, let's talk about listening. In IELTS listening part 1 and IELTS listening part 4, we have one word only. Sometimes we have no more than 2 words in all that. Yes, there are chances, and by the way, because of wrong spelling. Now that wrong spelling is because you don't know the spelling of the word, or you've done a silly mistake or anything like that. Because of wrong spelling, students are getting 1 band less than their capability in listening. Okay, because of wrong spelling. So if they only write the correct spelling, they can improve their band score by 1. And Shumaila, by the way, if they need 8 band and 1 wrong spelling makes it 7.5. So please be careful. Now, how to overcome that?
Exactly.
Yeah, you know, great minds think alike. I am a great mind, but as you are with me, so gradually you will also become great as well. Yeah? Alright, don't worry, relax, calm down, huh? हमेशा कोशिश कर दी ए दसन दी कि ए सियानी है ते मैं सियाना नहीं है, मैं नादान हाँ. मम्मी सियाना है, नादान पंछी. ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਨਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਵੀ. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਂਝਾ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? Okay. So, we were talking about spelling. Now, I have a wonderful handout that contains the most common words which are used in IELTS listening as answers. These most common words contain everything, and most of the time in IELTS listening, whenever there is sentence completion, most of the time answer is a noun. Then sometimes it can be a verb and adjective. That's it. There isn't anything other than that. Mainly nouns, sometimes verbs, very rarely verbs, and sometimes adjective. So when you do the question, within the question, when you read the question, you can easily understand that answer is going to be a verb or a noun or adjective. If you don't know these 3 parts of speech, you should learn them and then you'll be fine. So that handout contains 1200 most common words in IELTS listening. So once you get the handout, you'll be fine with that.
तो वो कैसे मिलेगा ये भी तो बता.
It's only $5. You can get that from me. I'll charge only $5 and you can get the handout, okay? Obviously, send me a message on my WhatsApp. I'm not commercial, guys, okay? I'm absolutely not commercial. I don't need your $1 or $5. I am making good money on my own efforts. With my own efforts, I'm making good money, so I don't need money like this where I'm selling you small stuff, $1, give me You know what it means? Yeah, I'm not gonna beg. I don't need that money, all right? So just text me on WhatsApp and I'm going to share a list of handouts. There you can easily find. I was thinking, let's give Yasin's number. बेचारा आप ही भुगतता रहेगा.
बेचारा पागल हुआ उसे मैसेज
Thousands of messages. तो बेचारा आप ही भुगतता रहेगा.
व्हाट्सएप पे भी ना अक्सर क्या होता है कि असद अगर बिजी है ना क्लास के साथ तो यासीन कहते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे रिप्लाई करो, तो बेचारा पागल ही हो जाता है.
और इतना पागल हो गया, एक दिन उसकी मिसेस कहती कि खाना खा लो, कहता व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दे.
अच्छा, एक और चीज, उसको हमने यासीन को हमने कहा कि वाटर बॉटल भर ली है ना, तो वो वाली बात बताएं जो कह रहा था भरी हुई है.
हाँ, जेडी बोतल भरी सी ना, उन्होंने पहले खाली को भर के, बोतलें एक जैसी हैं, इधर है नहीं है वरना मैं दिखाता, फिर जो भरी थी उसी को दोबारा खोल के कहता हाँ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਹੀ ਭਰੀ ਚੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਫਨ ਹੈ. ਖਾਲੀ ਬੋਤਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਆਇਆ. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਵਿਖਾਣੇ ਆ ਤੇ यासीन भी ਵਿਖਾਣੇ ਆ. इधर आ जाए बेटे, इधर आए ना, इधर आप भी मैदान में आ जाए.
यासीन आए.
ये 2 बोतलें जो भरी थी, पहले एनू ही भर के ना हाथ से खोल के कहंदा ऐ ते भरी ते नाल खाली नाल ले आया.
बोतल थी, मैंने कहा ये तो खाली कहता है, नहीं ये भरी हुई थी, जब खोला तो इतना
exactly. All the best guys, thank you. I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub with and Yasin Hafiz from behind the camera. किसी दिन थानू यासीन वखावांगे. नहीं अभी नहीं दिखाना, मैं सस्पेंस रखना है. किसी दिन थानू वखावांगे, राइट? ये यासीन बहुत माशाल्लाह खूबसूरत बच्चा है, साडा जवान बच्चा है,
बहुत नाइस है,
बहुत डिसेंट है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज.